kilala ko. Okay na. Sabi ni Kumare, okay siya. Naalala mo ba kung kailan ka huling nag-hire, anak? Nakita mo ba mismo kung kaya niyang trabaho o sabi lang niyang iba ang basehan mo? Maybe you can relate to this. Kasi ganito rin ang nangyari sa kakilala kong lady. Let's call her Mercy. Meron siyang pharmacy in a busy neighborhood. Multiple product lines, regular customers, and a steady flow of daily buyers. So when she needed someone to help her at the counter and handle daily inventory, yung neighbor niya lumapit sa kanya with a suggestion. Mercy, yung pamangkin ko naghahanap ng trabaho. Okay naman siya, pwede mong itry, sabi ng kapitbahay. So it was a good recommendation, di ba? No need to post online, no need to interview. Kilala naman ng kapitbahay, kaya parang okay na. The new hire started well. Customers were very happy with her. Lagi siyang on time at masaya rin si Mercy. But slowly, things started falling apart. Hindi tama ang bilang ng stocks. May mga gamot na nailabas ng walang resibo. Kaya when Mercy checked the inventory at the end of the week, hindi nagtatama ang mga numbers. Nag-usap sila and the new hire explained herself. Hindi ko po sinasadya, ma'am. At naniniwala naman si Mercy kasi kilala siya ng kapitbahay. So she kept her on, kept hoping, and kept covering the gaps until the numbers were too hard to set aside. Napakasakit. Hindi lang kasi pera, kundi sa relasyon nilang magkapitbahay. Ito yung lesson, anak. A referral tells you about a person's character. It does not tell you if they can help you grow your business. Let's be business-minded, Pinoy. May team ka na, pero ikaw pa rin ang kailangan sa lahat. Anak, hindi yan team. That's just a group of people waiting for your next instruction. Team na Marunong is a 90-day guided program designed for business owners like you who already have a team pero gusto ng may structure, accountability at consistency na hindi ka na laging kailangan pumasok sa picture. Week by week, you will build a team that is stable, proactive, at saka self-driven. Kahit wala ka sa tabi nila, hindi mo kailangan ng bagong team. Kailangan mo lang ng tamang sistema para sa team na meron ka na. Enroll now, anak ha! The link is in the comment section.